The advancement of technology has enabled the internet users to access various social networking apps. Most of these apps are designed to help people to keep in contact with their friends and share information. They are easy to download, install and update. Free apps have only basic services, but the paid ones have more advanced options. Most social networking sites and apps offer users communication, entertainment, and security. You can chat with and send messages to your friends and followers using live messenger and mail functions. You can listen to music or watch videos on video sharing apps, which also allow you to create your own video clips and share them with friends and family. For people who like playing games, there is a wide selection of game apps in all genres for all ages. The most popular ones are action and adventure games, followed by puzzles and board games. Mobile security apps are designed to protect and secure smartphone and tablet devices in cases of theft or loss of data. Additional features include virus detection and removal and scanning websites for phishing scams. Most apps are fun and people use them all the time to chat with friends, play games, get directions, check the weather forecast, read news and books, and a lot more. However, before you decide whether to download an app, you need to go through its functions very carefully and read the user reviews.